Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the free text feature available in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. If you are in Windows 11, it is pre-installed, so you don't have to install it. If you are in Windows 10 like me, then first you have to go to the Microsoft Store. Then in the search box, search for Clipchamp. This is the program we are looking for. If it is not installed, it will show you an installation option. I have already installed it. So let me just open it. As you can see, I have opened the text to speech editor and I will go and click on create a new video. Then from here, I'll click on record and create. And from here, I'll click on text to speech. Well, from here, you can select your language, you can select your voice, you can select a voice style, and you can decide your speech speed. You can decide the pitch also. Right now, we need some text. So I'll go to my ChatGPT and copy some text from here. So this is the default text from ChatGPT. I will copy the text and will go to my Clipchamp and paste the text and click the play button to render it.
Quantum computing is a type of computing where information is processed using quantum bits or qubits instead of classical bits. This allows quantum computers to perform certain types of calculations much faster than classical computers. In addition, the behavior of qubits is described by the laws of quantum mechanics, which is different from classical mechanics and enables new types of computing algorithms.
So from here, I can save this media. As you can see, it's preparing. And once it is prepared, I'll just click
Quantum computing
the plus
is a type of
button to put it in the timeline.
Quantum computing is a type of computing where
Then I can just add some image or something over here by clicking on stock images. And let's click on this. Added the stock images to the timeline. And let me just drag it, resize it. Let's hear it again.
is a type of computing where information is processed using quantum bits or qubits instead of classical bits. This allows
So this was it. You can generate text to speech for free in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. You can also use ChatGPT to help you with this. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.